Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Skeng signed to Nicki Minaj. Skeng, who was spotted in Trinidad at the carnival with the rapper, is said to be among the first set of artists to be signed to Nicki Minaj's new label. Minaj on Friday announced that she officially owns her own label and has signed the dancehall DJ plus Ghanaian star Nana Fofi, Bronx rapper London Hill, and Rico Dana. Nicki named Wendy Goldstein as president of the label, which is an imprint of Republic Records. Goldstein has worked with several superstars, including Ariana Grande, The Weeknd, and John Legend. Nicki Minaj, who is now the first female rapper to own a record label, made the historic announcement on her show Queen Radio while celebrating the release of her first song for this year, Red Ruby the Sleaze. The track has already broken several records, hitting #1 across streaming platforms within hours. Now, is Popcorn leaving Drake's OVO? On Monday, the dancehall superstar was quoted in Crack magazine as saying, "I have so much music. The label can be weird sometimes. I love the label, but I don't like them. But I'll be independent soon." Now, this has started rumors that Popcorn is leaving his international label of 5 years. Popcorn and Drake in February teamed up on the song We Can't Done off his 5th studio album, Great Is He via OVO Sound. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.